Now we are going to draw L section and cross section of a simply supported beam. Here the clear span is 4 meter, effective span is 4.2 meter, width of beam 220 mm, overall depth of beam 300 mm, mean reinforcement is 5 numbers 12 mm dia with bars, bent up bars L by 7 from center of supports, and hanger bars are 2 numbers 10 mm dia, and then provide straps 6 mm dia at 250 mm center to center spacing. Now what we do is we write here first data, here flare span equals to here 4 meter, effective span 4.2 meter. Now this is a beam here. Clear span is total length is here. This is total length, and these are beams here. This is beam here, and these are the supports. Or we can say walls. 300 mm, 300 mm. This brickwork. Now clear span is the distance between two supports. This is clear span here, 4 meter. Support to support distance. This is clear span. And effective span is mid of this beam. Now effective span is the distance between mid of bearing. This is bearing here, this is the bearing, it's the portion of beam which rests on a wall. Mid of bearing to mid of bearing, distance between mid of bearing to mid of bearing, its effective span. That's equals to 4.2 meter. 4.2 meter. Now we are going to draw the reinforced. Now this is depth of beam. Depth of beam is there 300 mm. Depth of beam is 300 mm, and clear span is 4 meter, and effective span is there 4.2 meter. Bearing is here 20 mm. bearing is 20 mm. Now this is RCC beam here, reinforcement cement concrete beam. बट अभी तक हमने सिर्फ ड्रॉ किया बीम डायमेंशंस है. डायमेंशंस क्या है इसकी? क्लैड स्पैन इज 4 मीटर एंड डेप्थ ऑफ बीम इज हेयर 300 mm. अब व्हाट वी डू इज, हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसमें अब रीइंफोर्समेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे. रीइंफोर्समेंट हमारे पास कितना है? हमारे पास गिवन है रीइंफोर्समेंट 5 बार्स फॉर बेस एंड 2 बार्स फॉर टॉप. तो 2 बार्स जो टॉप में लगी है तो वो एक दूसरे को कोइंसाइड हो रही है, 2 बार जिनको एंकर बार्स बोलते हैं. तो हम यहाँ पे क्लियर कवर छोड़ के आप ड्रॉ करोगे. यहाँ पे क्लियर कवर आप डाल के यहाँ पे आप बार ड्रॉ करेंगे. End cover is here 40. This is end cover here. This is 40 mm. End cover. And clear cover is 25. 25 mm. Clear cover. Clear cover is 20. And for base 5 bars are there. 5 bars. ये तो 2 bars हमें coincide हो गई एंकर बार्स. तो इसलिए लेकिन विजिबल एल सेक्शन में हमें सिर्फ 1 बार दिखेगी. एंड इन बेस 5 बार्स आर देयर. तो अगर 5 बार्स है तो वो भी एक ही बार हमें दिखेगी, जो कि 5 बार्स जो है वो कोइंसाइड हो रही है एक दूसरे को. वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, इन 5 बार्स 2 बार्स आर बेंट अप बार्स. तो जो बेंट अप बार है, बेंट अप हमें खाली यहाँ पे बेंट अप बार दिखेगी. और जो ये बेंट अप बार जो है ये आप 7 बाई L/7 पे करेंगे. L/7 मीन्स total length of beam is here. For example, total length of beam is here 40 plus 40 4.4 meter. 4.4 divide by 7 जो निकलेगा इसमें, वो हम यहाँ पे बेंट अप के लिए लेंथ ले लेंगे. फ्रॉम दिस मिड ऑफ बेयरिंग, दिस इज L/7 एंड L/7 पे हम ये बेंट करेंगे. Now we are going to calculate number of straps. Now number of straps. Equals to effective span 4.2 divided by spacing of these straps, that's 250 plus 1, that will be equals to 17. Straps we are going to draw here at a spacing of 250 mm. This is the L section of beam, L section of beam. Now we are going to draw a cross section of beam. If we cut it at this section, We are going to draw this section now. First of all, the width of beam and depth of beam. Depth is 300 mm and width is 200 mm. And clear cover is here. Now first of all, stripes is here. This is stripe. Now clear cover is 25 mm. And these bars are 5. This 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and anchor bars are there 2. These are anchor bars here. Anchor bars, 2 numbers, 10 mm dia. These two are, alternatively we use bent bars here, and these are bent bars here. Bars 12 mm dia, 12 mm dia. Now this is a cross section of this beam. This is a cross section of this beam.